Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. Today is a very short video. I just wanted to show you my work in progress. This is Alice from Make Market, their Halloween collection of 2025. It is diamond painted with square drills, and to tell you the truth, this is the most complicated diamond painting that I have ever worked with because it contains a lot of confetti, It is very hard to diamond paint it. There is almost no way that I would use the multiplacer, and it's more time consuming. I mean, it doesn't have any, it has some damaged drills, but I'm talking about technique wise, difficult versus having some issues. Like the adhesive is perfect, the drills are of a pretty good quality, however, they are acrylic. But since it has a lot of confetti on the one hand, on the other hand, these are square drills, and it's always harder to diamond paint with square drills than with the rounds. Plus, the symbol printing is not the best on this picture because there is a lot of dark background and a lot of symbols resemble each other. Like, for example, over here on the dress, you see this darker blue symbols, V, W, Y, and they're almost the same shade. And in real life, on the screen maybe magnifies it a little bit, but in real life it's really very hard to differentiate them. Plus, there are also a few symbols like 6 and 5, which are also on the very similar background. And it's like here you see 5 and 6. Also, when you work on it in real life without magnifying glass, so to say, it's hard to see them. So it also complicates working on this kit as well. So as you can see, I diamond painted even less, I guess, than 50%. Well, actually maybe a little bit more than that, but it took me, I don't know, like more than a week. And I'm diamond painting for like 3 hours a day at least. And I didn't really diamond paint that much. I replaced one color with crystals here on the street light. Well, they're not street lights, lanterns. I'm not sure what the English equivalent for it is, but to tell you the truth, the camera doesn't capture it well, because in real life it looks fantastic. It looks like the diamond painting has LED lights in it, and it sparkles amazing. The lanterns, as if it's really glowing from inside. So once I finish it and frame it, maybe you will be able to see that LED lights effect when the diamond painting is, vertical, is standing vertically next to the wall. So that's how it looks. Just keep it in mind. And also one more thing, that it contains 53 colors. It's a lot of colors for 40 by 50 centimeters. So just, again, I love how it's turning out, very detailed. But again, keep in mind that technique-wise, it's kind of hard to diamond paint it. The second thing that I wanted to show you is this snack-sized kit that I completed. I purchased it from Temu a few months ago. It's a snow globe. It is diamond painted with crystals and special drills, but I replaced one color, the silver one, with white ABs on the trees and on the pine trees and on the house, because I think that white ABs would look better, as they would resemble the snow better than, for example, the clear ones. Clear ones are good for showing the effect of the ice, for example, or water, but not the snow. So that's how it looks. Again, the camera doesn't really capture the gorgeous sparkle that I see in real life. Well, I put it vertically next to the wall. Hopefully you will be able to see the sparkle better in this position. And I doubt it is 30 by 30 centimeters. I believe it is 25 by 25. 30 by 30 is the fabric size. The design size a little bit smaller, 25 by 25 centimeters. And once I get the frame, I will show you how it looks behind the glass, and most likely it will go as a gift to one of my daughter's teachers for Christmas. And this kit contains 8 colors. That's how it looks. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.